Hello, my name is Chilo, and today we're going to show you how to properly install your AuxBlue solar equipment. Because solar produces electrical current, be sure to read your solar manual for safety instructions before you proceed. Activation of your camera is simple and should be done at the job site before installing any of your equipment. If you haven't already, please refer to our camera activation and installation video. Here are the tools you'll need to complete your installation. Grab the Easy V-mounts and band clamps. Cut the zip ties on the band clamps and grab 2 of them. Thread the mount with the band clamp with the mount prongs facing outward. Repeat on top and bottom. Make sure the coil turns outward for ease of mounting to the pole. Set the Easy mounts back against the pole. Wrap the band clamps around the pole and thread the strap through the pressure lever. Using a compass, ensure that the mount is pointing due south. Once set due south, tighten the band clamps. Trim off and discard the excess bands. Repeat the process for the second Easy mount. Distance between the 2 mounts should be 27.5 inches. Remove the nuts and bolts from the Easy mount and keep them on hand. Loosen, but don't remove the nuts on the panel mount. 3 on either side, 6 total. Lift the top of the panel and place the panel mount into the Easy mount. While this panel size can be done with only 1 person, we recommend having a partner for ease of installation. Thread the bolts into the Easy mount and the panel mount. Swing the bottom legs of the mount into the Easy mount and repeat threading the bolts. With all bolts in place, add and tighten the nuts. There are 4 per Easy mount, 8 in total. Now you're ready to install the cabinet. Affix the solar hanger mount to the pole using 3 band clamps. Allow the band clamps to coil around the pole and tighten them. Be sure to hang the cabinet box close enough to connect the solar panel and no higher than 5 feet for safety and ease of access. Affix the cabinet to the solar hanger mount with the 2 supplied washers and bolts. Thread the last band clamp through the base and tighten. Use zip ties to tie the cables down. Place the cabinet battery into the solar cabinet. Add the bolts to the positive and negative cabinet leads and thread them into the battery leads. Connect the 4-pin camera solar cable to the cabinet and tighten it down. Connect the other end to your camera. Turn on the second breaker in the solar cabinet to turn the system on. Check for positive readings. Next, turn the first breaker on to turn on the solar panel. The camera's blue light will turn on. Once camera power is confirmed, close the cabinet. When finished, store your packaging in a dry and accessible place for future projects or return of system. If you have any questions regarding the installation of your solar equipment, contact AuxBlue's client support to assist you in getting your camera and solar equipment up and running. Thank you for choosing AuxBlue, part of Hexagon.